I take it you're back then for another Sheila Show Me. Today I'm going to show you how the passenger seat works in a Burstner 7 to 8 and actually most Burstner Lyseo ranges as well. Let's start. So folks, I'm not going to lie to you, this is my first time doing this, so you're going to see exactly how easy it is, and this is just going to be a journey we'll go on together. In here, this can be used as storage as well. So whether you have your seat in place or you're not using the seat, you can still use this as storage, and it's really deep stuff here. For putting the chair in place, there is little butterfly nuts in here. These here wee things, wee Mickey Mouse ears. And you just loosen them in place to put the seat down. I'm just going to put that there so I don't lose it. Putting that chair in place now. You'll see there's two little pieces of metal at the bottom and they just slot in. Oop. They just slot in and then you just tighten them wee butterfly nuts back in place. And then for the seat itself, you just pull this little lever out, and down it goes. As easy as that. And that was for my first time, first take. We're on a roll, aren't we? This van is actually a 5-berth 5-belt. If you want to have a wee nosy about it, we'll show you. It's got high singles in the back that can be converted into a double bed, and it has an electric drop down above. Just while we're here, seeing as that was 2 seconds of a video, I'll just show you. So your drop down just here. Of course I said this is a 5-berth, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 in the back, and then you have another large single in the dinette area. And for the dinette area you have this little piece here. If you want to see how that works, let me know and I can do that. So there we go. Another Sheila Show Me success. I'll see you next week.